This is the North West Training Development Team and Pathways Coronavirus Update. This update shares information about what's been happening in Blackburn with Darwen that people might have seen on the news. Our friend Rosemary Molyneux from Blackburn with Darwen Borough Council shares more details with us.
Hello, my name is Rosemary Molyneux and I work for Blackburn with Darwen Council. We know lots of people are worried by news about increases in cases of COVID-19 where they live. Please know that Public Health are looking at each area very carefully and will let you know if extra precautions are needed where you live. In Blackburn with Darwen, we know you might be worried by things you are hearing on the news just now. Extra guidelines have been introduced to help prevent the spread of COVID. This is because recently there has been a rise in the number of cases. So we are now asking everyone to support the borough to do as much as possible to stop any further spread of COVID, so we can avoid a local lockdown. These guidelines are for everyone, so for the next month we recommend that people living in one house only allow 2 other people from one other household to visit them and keep to the recommended social distancing. It's recommended also that we wear cloth face coverings or non-surgical masks in all enclosed public spaces. Places such as shops, libraries, museums, health centres, hair and beauty salons and workplaces. It's also recommended that rather than give handshakes or hugs, we're asking people to only bump elbows with anyone outside their immediate family. If we all do it, no one will be offended and no one will think we're being rude. Regarding testing, we have a temporary mobile testing unit at Witton Park Academy, and we also have a testing facility at Royal Blackburn Hospital. You do not need to have any symptoms to be tested. These extra guidelines are to help us all stay safe. We are confident if we all follow this guidance, we will stop the situation in Blackburn with Darwen getting worse. Please look after yourselves and talk with your friends, family, support workers or community teams. You can also contact LINKCare Network or the Blackburn with Darwen Hub and talk to them. The contact details for these are below. I know it's not easy as things are changing at such a fast pace, but I would like to thank you for your continued efforts and all that you are doing. Thank you for listening and stay safe.